The next one is the component of monitoring system. Component of monitoring system. So a basic sound monitoring system typically consists of the following components. A basic sound monitoring system typically consists of the following components. It means that a component, we are going to talk about, okay, so that the parts of monitoring system. So we have microphone. Microphone, this is a device that converts sound waves into electrical signals. It is the primary component for capturing sound data. It's a primary component for capturing sound data. And we have amplifier. This component amplifies the electrical signals from the microphone to a level that can be further processed. So you can connect, as you can see the diagram, that's the microphone, and this microphone can be connected to an amplifier. As you can see here, I think this is a bass combo, or it's also an amp. It has an amp inside with a speaker. So this microphone can be connected to this speaker to boost its electrical signals, as we've talked earlier on about. Okay, so the next one, we have the recorder. This component records the amplified electrical signals as audio files, typically in digital format. This way. Okay, so when you speak into the microphone and it's being amplified through the amp or the combo or whatever, it's then connected to a computer or a recorder. Okay, so when it's connected to this, you get what we call a digital format. So this component records the amplified electrical signals as audio files. So all these files are being recorded as audio files, and typically it is known is typically in a digital format. Okay. So then the next one, we have the playback system. This component plays back the audio files recorded by the recorder, typically through speakers or headphones. So after the data is being processed, you can hear it by using playback system. So that's headsets or any speaker. So you hear it back through this playback systems. Then we have the monitoring display. This component provides a visual display of sound levels either in real time or as a recorded playback. It can be a simple analog meter or a digital display. As you can see on the left hand side, those are the illustrations of the various things that I've talked about, from recorder, play system, and the monitoring display, as you can see. Okay, so let's continue. Now, overall, the components of a basic sound monitoring system are relatively simple and straightforward, consisting of a microphone, amplifier, recorder, playback system, and monitoring playback. If you can get this right. So the basic monitoring system are, we have the microphone, 1 microphone, we have the amplifier 2, 3 we have recorder, 4 we have playback system, and 5 we have monitoring playback. Okay, let's continue. Now, however, more complex sound monitoring systems can include additional components such as signal processors, data loggers, and wireless communication interfaces, depending on the specific requirements and application. Let's move on.